So this is the entrance to my camper, and as I pan to the right, going into the living area, first of all, this is the cabinet where I had the relatively minor changes made. Let me open up the cabinet door, and you can see what I'm talking about. These are slide-out drawers. They make life much easier and much more functional. As I continue to pan to the right, this is the slide out where I had my dining table, and this is what I've replaced it with. First of all, notice that the finishing of it is very similar to the remainder of the camper. It's a knotty alder. And to show you the functionality of this, I'm going to kind of bounce over there and show you what can actually be done here. Hey there. So this is a breakfast nook. It can seat 2 people. It's covered in Formica, which is meant to enhance the appearance compared to the rest of the trailer. And notice the slow close. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, now you also have the ability to set this up as a desk, so the chair could be moved in here for the desk. You have a drawer on each side, and again, slow close. You have a cabinet on each side. I'm going to have to pan down for that. And again, slow close. The point of slow closing is to make it easier for this thing to remain closed and travel. The area between the 2 cabinet sections, in other words, the area here, this area here, right through here, can either remain open, or I'm thinking of putting a fireplace in there. So either way, it's going to be pretty functional for me. Anyway, that's what I had done, and when I referred to making measurements to make sure everything fit, these cabinets have to be able to swing open and remain fully functional. So, anyway, Alan here, RVAcrossamerica.net, and I hope you found this useful, and the information in the post. The post is important to go to because I covered a lot of details that I thought about before I actually had this thing built. To show off one more thing here, the top, this portion here, is all one solid piece. So when it came in here, it came in as 1, 2, 3 pieces, and this went on top and was screwed in, so that made sure that everything comes together. And again, it's fixed to the floor and to the wall, and has traveled a bit now with no problems at all. Okay, that's it. Oh, there may be some bonus video after this. Enjoy it.